The Uwell Nunchaku in 60 seconds. Back in the day, tube mods were all the rage, but as box mods continued to rise in popularity, the tube mods started to fall by the wayside. Uwell has chosen to bring them back with the Nunchaku. The Nunchaku is an 80-watt regulated tube mod built out of stainless steel, and this thing is a tank. The mod works on a single 18650 battery and features temp control, airflow control, and includes bypass mode, allowing the Nunchaku to run off the direct voltage of the battery. The kit comes with a 5 ml top fill threaded tank, so there's no need to remove it from the mod to keep the clouds going. One feature that I like is that it uses a push-fit coil system. If you want to change the coils, just pop the old one out and push the new one in. Easy peasy. It comes in 7 different colors: black, rainbow, blue, purple, green, black and gold, and silver. If you want an easy-to-use mod that can take a beating, this could be the one for you. And you can get yours at VapeWild.com. Just don't buy 2 of them and start swinging them at people.